This demo shows the provisioning of an iOS device with no existing credentials in line with a secure NGH network. The device starts off with no credentials for the WBA NGH Hotspot 2.0 network deployed at the conference. The user initiates the association attempt by tapping on the WBA NGH SSID. The demo uses EAPTTLS, but this will be replaced by an authenticated EAPTLS in the end state. This will result in the device being able to associate with the target SSID securely without having to present any credentials. The AAA server uses the well-known username and password combo demo to identify the provisioning association attempt and responds back with a permit but assigns the device to the provisioning VLAN. The access points and the controller enforce the VLAN request to restrict the device access to the provisioning flows only. The AAA server also starts an 180-second timer it will use to issue a COA disconnect command for the session. All browsing attempts by the device in this state are redirected to the online sign-up server to enable the user to complete the sign-up and provisioning steps. The user completes the registration and begins the download of the mobile configuration profile for the device. The operating system starts the installation process automatically once the download is completed. The user responds to the native operating system prompts to finish configuring the device. At this point, the device is fully configured for the WBA NGH network. However, it is still assigned to the provisioning VLAN because the timer for disassociation hasn't expired on the AAA server. In the end state, the device will send a notification to the network once it has finished the configuration process to trigger the disassociation. This will allow the framework to accommodate variable user response times in the registration and configuration flow. The AAA server issues a COA disconnect command when the 180-second timer for the session expires. This causes the device to disconnect, as seen in the video. The device immediately attempts to reassociate using the credentials available in the profile. The device is now able to successfully complete authentication and is fully online once the association is complete. The user is able to browse and use other network services freely at this point.